a very good opportunity for us to get more customer and exposure to other people. Because I think the people they based in East Malaysia, they want to get some premium product, but it's very hard for them to get it.
I was looking for digitalization software in Sabah. We need this kind of things in Brunei to ensure that things are done properly. Manpower is very difficult. So with this kind of kiosk, check-in, check-out, it will be as simple as 1, 2, 3.
Decided that since Sabah is a neighboring country to Brunei and we haven't sort of fully entered the market here, so we wanted to come and find potential distributors and hopefully be able to export the Brunei products over.